First, let's create a billing profile. Go to the Billings tab. You can import your Nike profiles by clicking on the Import button. We have an option to create a billing group to include all your profiles in. Follow the steps shown in the video to make a profile group. After you are done creating your billing profiles, you need to set up a proxies list. Go to the Proxies tab. Create a proxy list for your Nike tasks. Make sure that you input them in the correct format. One proxy per account is what we recommend. Now go to the Accounts tab. Create an accounts group and import your accounts. Make sure to assign a proxy list and billing profile or billing group to your account list. Check accounts for the Nike account formats and details. On creation, the bot will assign your proxies linearly to your accounts. As for billings, it will try to match each billing with the equivalent Nike account. If it didn't find any matching account, it will assign it linearly to your accounts. Once you have this part set up, you will have to log in to your accounts. You will notice that a Nike tab will act very similar to a task tab, where you can start every account by clicking the status bar next to it, or you can simply click Start All on the left tab to log in to all your accounts. This will log in, fill the correct billing information on your accounts, save the sessions, and get everything ready for you for a drop. Go to your Tasks tab to create your Nike tasks, and make sure to enter the sneakers SKU in the input field. You can run multi-SKUs as well. For launches, the login option should be selected, and you can add any advanced options or schedule your task to start/stop at any time. Now you are ready to cop Nike Mines and Travis Scott dropping at the end of May using NSB.